Hello everybody and happy Macintosh! If you don't know what Macintosh is, look in the description, you'll find a link, and if you read it, then you'll know what Macintosh is. But basically, one of the things I did for Macintosh is get this Macintosh SE SuperDrive up and running from a dead hard drive. See this hard drive? It's dead. I'm blinding you. If you saw my video that I deleted, it was entitled Please Help Me. You can see what it did. Can't anymore because I deleted it. So anyways, because that hard drive was dead, I got a replacement. An SD2 SCSI. This uses an internal SCSI drive, like this one, and this was a hassle to get up and running. I couldn't figure out how to get the SD to SCSI to work properly. I eventually figured it out, and it requires two things. It needs to be powered from USB. It, for some reason, won't work off the analog board. Second, it requires system version 6.0.8. And that's it. After I did all that, it's now working. So I'm going to power it with my modern Dell laptop, which was from 1989 or something. So I'll just set that there. Okay, I'm going to have to move some stuff. Then I'm going to swap the mouse over. I'm not left-handed. So now, at the sound of the tone, welcome to Macintosh. Welcome to Macintosh. Welcome to the macOS desktop. It doesn't want to work with my mouse pad. I'm using my desk right now, which is not very clean. So guys, your $50,000 Mac Pro with the Pro XDR display and everything, it started from this. This started it. This simplistic design started all of the Macs you know and love today. I wouldn't know because I don't have a Mac except for this one. I noticed that you have to, like, click and hold, like, everything. Like, you either have to press and hold it to get it to select, or you have to spam it. And, like, I don't know if these... I don't know if these are just corrupted, or if it's something wrong with the image I used, but none of these work. Apple Share cannot be open/printed. The application is busy or missing. I have no idea where everything is. It doesn't know either. Close. See, like here. See, I clicked it, and now it closed. It's because for some reason you have to press and hold it for like 2 milliseconds instead of the 1 millisecond you just click. And you can't click it. You have to press and hold it and then drag to wherever you want to go, and then you have to release. Mac. About this Finder, System 6.0.8. Battery. Your battery just beeps at you. You have the little guy. I always thought that this was a book. For some reason, I always thought that was a book. It was just a book with a speech bubble. In fact, I didn't even know there was a speech bubble. I had no idea what it was. Calculator. See how long that took to load? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now you no longer have to print 1 plus 1, enter. Divided by 2 equals 1. Well, that's that. Keycaps. This is just a keyboard tester. Scrapbook. I have no floppy disks, so I really can't do anything. You guys don't know this on camera, but there is image burn. I'm outlining it here. Just a big splotch, and obviously this taskbar is burned in. There's a little down here, but you can't really see it. And the reason why this was burned was because this was a school computer. It came from East Grand Forks. Now, how did I know that when the hard drive was dead? Well, on the back and on the keyboard, there were badges on them. You can also trigger the Sad Mac screen by pressing the programmer's key right on boot up. Yeah, this doesn't do CRTs well. This is old technology, folks. I honestly love seeing the Happy Mac on screen, and because I'm using an SSD instead of a HDD, this is obviously like 20 times faster, and because of that, I don't get to see the Happy Mac as much. It's very sad. Anyways, if you press the debugger, is there anybody that actually liked seeing the bomb screen? You guys probably didn't know this, but you can just trigger it easily. Open up the Max bug by pressing the programmer's key on the side. You'll get this. Just press G space and then just type in whatever the heck you want. See? Bomb screen. Then you just press restart and it restarts. You type in G space 41D 89A, then press enter. Here are some pictures of the Macintosh Plus team. And I don't think you can get out of this screen. Can't get out of this screen, but what I noticed is if you move the mouse, like, just let the mouse be overwritten, then you move it, it's just, it like overwrites whatever memory was in. Like, look at that. It does that.